All right, here's a 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner, or you'll hear them called retractable hardtops. Very cool cars from back in the day. 1958, this was actually the second car in history to be mass produced with a retractable hardtop. Was the Ford 500 Fairlane Skyliner. At this time of production, when this first came out, it was the only retractable hardtop car being produced in the world. So a cool little bit of history. Now, this particular car, if you decode the door tag or the data tag on it, did come with a 352, and originally this would have came with the 300 horsepower option. So it does have a 352 still underneath the hood. And like I said, it was a 300 horsepower option, which was the highest horsepower option you could have got in these cars in this body style. 58 and 59s when that would have been available. This particular car does also have power steering on it. It was produced at the San Jose assembly plant. Has a Cruise-O-Matic Ford automatic transmission in it, paired up with that 352, 269 rear gears in it. As you can see, it's kind of the white with baby blue, which obviously would have been a very popular color back in 58 in the combination. Nice bright work on this car. It has had a repaint along the way. This started out as kind of a bronze and a tan car, so it has been repainted. Frame on restoration is what I would call it. Interior's been redone. Very nice and neat and tidy engine bay on this one also. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside pics of this. You can see the interior, the top up, top down engine bay. Check out the still pictures. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can check out the still pictures. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this, or if you want us to take a little closer look at something, be happy to do that. The one thing I did notice a little bit that I want to point out, there is just a little bit of, I don't know if you can get it to, there it is, you can see it in the picture, in the video a little bit of bubbling above the rear wheel wells, but nothing terrible. And again, looking up and down this car, you can see how nice and straight it is. And again, all the bright work is, paint has a nice luster to it. Call this a very nice driver quality car. Ford Fairlane 500 logos in the back here. Again, bright work, chrome. I'd say in very nice shape on this car. Around the tail lights, don't get a lot of the pitting that you see on so many of them, but you don't get it on this car. Nice shape back here. You can see the reflection in it too. So again, nice luster to the paint. This particular car came to us in consignment from a good customer of ours. They're just thinning out the fleet a little bit, you might say. So it's one that they're looking at moving. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, of course. We can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or click down in the description of this video. You'll see the link. Click on that. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. There's only about 14,000 of these cars produced in 1958. And I believe 59 would have been the last model year that you could have got this style and retractable hardtop. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Again, upholstery has been redone, car has been repainted, but kept still to a very stock look. A lot of originality to this, just a color change. So the baby blue vinyl and cloth combination on the interior. Bench seat up front. Still Remains stock looking dash. Rear seat matches the front nicely. Headliner. Everything good there. Let's go ahead and start this car up. Check it out. Let's check out the engine bay. Everything else on it. Car's always started very easily for us when we've moved it around here. Runs smooth. I did have the wipers working. I'll show you this too. This is pretty cool. Turn the radio on. Radio light comes on. Give it a little bit to warm up. Radio also worked. Did have that working even though we are kind of in a metal shed here. We do the videos and pictures, but we did get a radio station in on that. It is an AM radio, of course. There's the radio warmed up. Power top button is down there. You don't even hear the radio working. And once, like I said, I am in a metal shed, so reception is not the greatest in here, but I want to let you know it did work. We're going to go ahead and check out that engine bay, and I'll slip around to the back of this car so you can hear it run. Listen to that nice little rumble coming out of that 352. Great sounding car. Let's go up to the front here. The hood release is in the car. I'm going to pop that. Pause the video a second. Actually, on this one, I won't have to pause the video. Easy one to get open one-handed. Alright. Look at how smooth that's running. Also very nice, neat, and tidy. So it did have power steering. See how smooth that runs. Nice clean firewall underneath the hood. Look at that sweetheart. Alright. There you have it. 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner or retractable hardtop, like you'll hear them. Last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to close the hood up, and we're going to run that top up and down for you so you can see it work. Alright. Got a little help here so I can show you this top going up and down on it so you can see it work. Show you what it's like back here. Full custom 58 retractable cover for the luggage compartment there. Love watching these work every time I do a video with them. Very cool how they had the technology and made this work back in 1958, 59. Look at that. Should keep going a little further to go. That light will go off on the dash. There, you just got to pull the knob a little longer there. There we go. Completed. 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 retractable hardtop Skyliner. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click down below in the description on the link. It'll take you right there. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.